So if you're watching this video, you're most likely having problems with your sleep. And school is starting, you know, you're trying to get back into the grind, whatever it may be, how to fix your sleeping schedule. And a brief story, you know, on how important sleep was. I used to have like fear of missing out. Like I was gonna miss out on something, and so that I didn't sleep, right? And so then what that would do is it would give me depressive states. And one time I had to go to the emergency room because, I had a breakdown because I hadn't slept for 2 days, bro. 2 days. Because I had the fear of missing out. I was like saying, bro, summer's gonna end and I didn't accomplish anything. And I just kept playing video games, trying to waste my time as much as possible. And when you do that to your body, when you don't sleep, when sleep is the number one most important thing for a human, you know, then you're not gonna, what is that word called? If you don't provide yourself with the basic needs, you're not gonna be normal, right? Your body's not gonna function the way it's supposed to be. And so I'm gonna help you all how to fix sleep. So it all starts with your sleep. So let's just say your sleeping schedule is messed up, 2 to whatever time, right? 2 to whatever time, and then you wake up to whatever time. The best thing, bro, the best thing is you want to bring back the hour that you sleep in, and then also bring back the time that you wake up in. For example, for me, I sleep at 10, right? And I wake up at 5, right? So Fajr and Isha, right? Which is the prayers for us Muslims. But basically, what you want to do is, for example, you sleep at 12, bring it back to 11, and then the next day bring it back to 10. That's the best way if you want it to work the best way possible. But if you want to do it as soon as possible, like you're willing to do anything, bro, you're willing to do anything. And so here, what you do, let's just say your sleeping schedule is at 12 right now, and you want to bring it back to 10, right? And so what you do, my friend, what you do is you go to sleep, not go to sleep, what is it called? You go to sleep at a normal time that you do, right? And then you're gonna be kind of sleep deprived, I know, but that's a sacrifice that you gotta make because you did that to your future self. That's why I always say, do it for your future self. Do it for your future self, because whatever actions you do now determines how your future self is gonna feel, right? So basically, you did this to your own self, bro, and I did that to my own self, and so then that's how I learned this lesson, bro. So basically, do that. Sleep in a normal time you sleep. Put an alarm. I don't care if your mind tells you, bro. If your mind tells you, oh, don't wake up, this is gonna happen, this and that. Whatever your mind tells you, bro, like, combination that thing right there, bro, because I'm telling you right now, bro, get it out of the side, bro, because it's just something you gotta deal with. For example, you were on a strict diet. You ate a cake when you were not supposed to eat a cake. Now you're gonna run that extra miles. Now you gotta work out 10 times harder because you gotta do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. You're sleep deprived, so what? So basically, bro, if you feel like it's very hard for you, bro, make it a chill day. But at the same time, if you want the most perfect peak sleep, you're gonna wait for the best sleep of your life. Wake up at the time that you want to wake up, even though you're a little bit sleep deprived, and then make your body very tired, and you may get that thing that you want to nap, you want to sleep, but don't sleep, bro. Don't sleep. You did this to your own self. Keep reminding yourself that you did this to your own self. You deserve the consequences of your actions. You're already a big human now, bro. You ain't no baby. You understand the cycle and the law of cause and effect. You mess up around your life, you do instant gratification and don't think about your future self is gonna suffer. So now you gotta suffer. And also, another thing that helped me out was drinking caffeine. Drinking caffeine. And bro, go for your car. Go for your car, bro. Loud as hell, bro. It's 5 in the morning and all these people are going to work. But yeah, drink caffeine. I quit caffeine, but the only time I drank it was yesterday. Why? So, I'll make another video of why I quit caffeine. But, caffeine also helps with that, circadian rhythm, And you also want to get sunlight once you wake up. I forgot to say that because, it also does your circadian rhythm. It helps you out. Andrew Huberman, let's go. And yeah, bro, when you drink caffeine, basically the thing that it does is, people think that it gives you energy, but that's actually fake. It just blocks the adenosine receptors. Adenosine is basically the thing that, makes you sleepy. So then if basically you drink caffeine, it blocks the adenosine receptors and you try to get the best possible day you can. I miss coffee, to be honest, but like I said, I'll try to record a video on that, on why I quit. But yeah, it will block off the adenosine receptors, and then it actually regulates human capabilities, because nowadays we don't do this. We don't regulate human sleep, but it regulates it, because it blocks your adenosine receptors, and slowly, when it does, you're gonna get a crash, and then it's gonna go down, and then your adenosine is gonna come and you're gonna feel so sleepy, and in the end your adenosine is gonna be built up through being sleep deprived, through drinking coffee. But in the morning, it was a pretty good morning, and then boom, you had a good sleep. But you don't want to drink caffeine in the morning. You want to drink it in, like kind of around between morning and afternoon, basically, or afternoonish, whenever you feel like what is that called? Your energy is time to dip down. You drink that and it will go up, and then when you fall asleep, it will be 2 times more sleepy, and you'll feel very happy because you grinded, you drank coffee, and then now you get to get some rest. And that's how life's supposed to be. That's how simple life is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be about Lamborghinis. It ain't supposed to be about getting as much as cash you can, bro. That's not how life was, bro. And if you look at life now, that's what the materialistic people want you to think. To get the latest new stuff, bro. The new sneakers, the newest car. But genuinely, bro, life is more simple than you think. Eat food, grind on something that you really care about, and then go to sleep and rest, and then repeat that same cycle. Oh, and hang out with family too. You gotta hang out with the tribe. Just think of that man, bro. Like, people always praise Adonis for being Adonis, but that guy was just a normal dude. Man was just like a hunter. Imagine that, bro. A hunter-gatherer. It's so simple to be like that nowadays, bro. But more and more desires will come upon your head. But life is more simple than you think. And, not everybody can sleep 8 hours a day, so be grateful for that. And yeah, bro. Most people will be sleep deprived for school nowadays because, they want to stay up a little bit later. But, if you want to be successful, bro, and you want to be the best possible person you can be and perform at your best, you need to have the best sleep, bro. You need to have the best sleep that you can. You know what? So, wind down more earlier so you can prepare for your sleep. And, stop letting your desires ruin your sleep, bro. You want to jack off for another hour. You want to wait until your semen comes back so you can jack off again. You want to play some more video games. Your friends are still on playing. Whatever it may be, bro. Do something that will make your future self proud. And that's enough for me, bro. Be the best possible man you can be. Improve your life. And yeah, bro. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.